lemon sour cream pound cake. It's time to get out that pound cake tin because this recipe is gonna fill your kitchen with a beautiful lemon bouquet. Let's get cooking. Grease your pound cake pan. Be sure to grease it well with butter and then add some flour. And the best way to do this is just to tilt it and tip it around. Make sure it's well coated. We're going to cream together the butter and the sugar. So for this, we're going to actually use 2 3/4 cups of sugar. The original name pound cake was because the amount of weight of sugar in the cake. Now we're using a hand mixer to make this nice and fluffy. Take 6 eggs and break them into a separate bowl just to make sure there's no shell. Now add 1 egg at a time into that butter sugar mixture. You'll notice it'll get light, fluffy and creamy. Sift 3 cups of all-purpose flour and then 1 packet of instant lemon pudding mix, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And you'll notice that we're sifting this. This actually helps lighten the cake and make sure there's no lumps. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract adds a wonderful harmony to it, and 1 8-ounce package of sour cream. And then we're going to take 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. I use a rasp grater for this. Now we just want to fold everything together. Feel free to use your hand mixer if you want. Now we want to dollop this in to your prepared baking dish. Dollop it around, dollop it until it's all in, and then even it out with your spatula. We're going to bake this for 1 hour and 20 to 1 hour and 30 minutes until it comes out nice and clean with a toothpick. Let it cool down slightly on a wire rack for 15 minutes. Let's make the icing: powdered sugar, butter, lemon juice, squeeze it into the bowl. Now icing's much thinner than frosting. Now when it comes to icing this cake, I'm looking for a nice thin sort of yogurt texture. I actually like to double down on this recipe. I add twice as much icing than the average person because I love every bite to have a piece of icing. Using a palette knife, we just spread it around the sides. It will have this ivory colour, and as you cut into it, you'll see this light yellow. Now take a look at that crumb. I think we should try this. I'm just going to use a fork. As it comes through, you can see it's got this beautiful crust to it. 10 out of 10 good. It's that good. Drop the fork. Until next time, I'm Jon Ashton. See you soon.